Yeah, good morning. We're here digging through the AMF Alcort parts cooler. Look, this is what we use to put all our parts together to ship them from Florida, because that's what we had. But today we're looking for this little backer plate for the Gudgeon bracket, and some fancy terms out there. The Gudgeon is the little fitting that goes on the back of the, see it in the bag there, the stern of the 1971 and newer Sunfish built by AMF Alcort. Well, this is what you see on the outside with the little spring pop-up rudder connecting to it. Four screws disappearing somewhere. Well, what they disappear to on those first early 70s boats is this little backer plate on the inside of the fiberglass hull. And the reason there's a little bump out, a little cove we call it. The original boats had the bronze rudder system with the carriage bolt. So there's a little cove on the transom where that carriage bolt nestled into. So that is also on the inside of the fiberglass hull. So the early backer plates, since the hulls were still being made with this little cutout or bump or cove or whatever you want to call it, the backer plate that went inside was molded the same way. At one point, they finally made the transom flat, took out the little cove, and so you'll see a metal backer plate that you can usually buy new that is flat, doesn't have the little bump in it. So somebody's looking to convert their rudder to the new style with the spring, the two metal springs, but their hull still has the little curve on the inside. So this is the best plate to do that conversion. So we're going to set that aside, and if they want to purchase it from us, we'll get it sent their way. We're still working on getting our parts wall set back up. But here's the little carriage bolts we were talking about. Some of those, I know some folks are looking for them. Don't get too excited. You see one there, but we always try to keep one in stock. And so that's what we have right now. So that one might stay there a while. Check with us tomorrow. Maybe we change our mind. But here it is. We do have probably a spare rudder or two, maybe one of the 1970s dagger boards called shadow board. So we're going to be, some of the projects, going to be making a new tiller for the newer style rudder, and we do have spare tillers and hiking sticks for the this little pile over here, magic finger, that for sailfish and sunfish of the wooden variety and the early fiberglass boats. So we're gonna trying to avoid pulling weeds with Skipper right now, but I think we'll go do that for a little bit. So hope y'all are doing great, and hope you're having a nice lazy day. We'll be trying to do the same here, and that about does it.